Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I just came out to ride. I'm just riding my bike after a long time. I just came out and the weather also looks pleasant. So before I start with the vlog, just let me know how my audio setup is. So I'm just testing few things. Any suggestions, input be highly appreciated. Before I start with my vlog, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Till now, all my videos on this channel are dedicated to close calls. Let me just clear two things. All my videos are mostly on close calls, but that doesn't mean I am driving like crazy. I record every ride on this bike. So, but I only upload a few minutes of those rides. That too, mostly not my mistake. My only mistake is I drive little bit fast. I'm very conscious on the road. I always look into the mirror. I follow all the rules. From now on, I will not upload any close calls. I'll try to upload the vlog. Topic for this video is how to drive safely on Indian roads. Definitely, I am not a professional rider or trainer or anything like that. I'm just sharing my views. You are always welcome to comment. But anyways, I'm just going to talk about my experience. Based on all these close calls, I think I am eligible to talk. Of course, people will comment. I don't take it to the heart. Let me just start with number 1 point. When you're stopping behind any vehicle, always try to be visible in their rear view mirror. When you're changing the lane, always use indicator and always look into the rear view mirror. Don't ever look at this guy. That's what I am talking about. When I honk, then they will get reminded of the indicators. Always use your rear view mirror. Don't remove them. Remove anything but the rear view mirror. Because if you are modifying your bike, modify with better looking mirrors, but don't completely remove them. And always look at one vehicle ahead, because if third person stops, the vehicle which is right in front of you will also stop. Slow down at intersections. That is the next thing you have to do. You never know who is crossing the road and who is coming from the other side. So always slow down your vehicle. Never ever overtake a vehicle which is taking turn, or if it is a single lane, you never overtake, because you never know if the vehicle is coming from front. Of course, safety is very important. No denying that. You can't invest complete care at least, or at least it's mandatory to have a helmet, not just any helmet, a good quality helmet that will. I can see a comment right now. Someone is writing that you yourself are not wearing any kind of gear. Yes, I am not wearing any gear, but I'm wearing this leather jacket and helmet. Of course, I'm going to invest in riding gear soon. Probably in next two videos, you will see me at least have blouses. Only thing riding fine. I'm wearing this normal suit. I don't ride in chappals. I never ride in chappals. At least I wear this shoes. Which becomes a cable switch. So this is the thing which is I like so much. I don't know, guys. We are getting this challan even if you stop here. Just stop. You get a challan. So I'm not going to do that. Yeah, it is good. It is good. It is a good one. Or at least it's a good start. Only thing is that I like is it is going to reduce the distance. At this place, it is risky to stay in this place. So let me just water this. Forget everything which I just said. Just enjoy your ride. Just make sure you are safe and the people around you are safe. And remaining things you can probably adjust based on the situation. Slow down on the intersections. Have a great day. Am I doing it right way to stop the lock? This is how you do it, right? Okay, bye.